Oh, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. I gotta get you out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That is a nice snook. Big trout. Mackerel. Transverse. Nice job. Not bad, not bad at all. Beautiful fish. Love it. My first tar fish. Love it. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Gonna be kind of tough today for audio. We have like 12 to 15 and sometimes 20 gusts. So audio is gonna be a challenge today. You know, it's 2 weeks before the tournament here. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna play around these islands and hopefully find some cover from the wind. And yeah, try to make something work here. Been on the water since like 6:30. It's about almost 8 o'clock now. So I haven't found anything yet. Air temperature is probably 71 maybe. Water temperature right now is 74. So it's definitely on the cooler side. But as you can see behind me, the sun has come up. Other than the wind, it still should be a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. See what we can do. Fish number one. And what do we have? We have a little trout. We have a little trout that wants to play. Okay. All right. Okay, a little trout. This is not an upgrade, so I'm not even gonna bother measuring and all that crap. It's definitely not an upgrade. You're a downgrade. Yes, you are. You're a downgrade. But you're still special. Doop. Let's see. Low tide is now. Okay. High tide is in 6 hours. 6 hours, 12 minutes. Which is going to be around 3 o'clock or so. So, there you have it. You are now informed. This might be a red. Nope, it's a red. Nice. It's right on that corner. Come on. Come on. All right. Ouch. 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 Oh, I just came off. Shoot. Right here. Yep. There's another little red. Gripper. Alright, come on, little dude. And you are a little dude. You are not going to pull. Oh! Oh! Should have kept the stupid gripper on. Another red. Another little red. This time we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to do it this way. We're going to open the bail. Slack out. See, that's why I wanted to do it this way. At least 15-inch. Jolene, yep. Little red on the big Bambino. I haven't caught a red on the big Bambino in a while. Look at this little guy. He's hungry. Nice little fish. Another one. Right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I hope you're not the same fish, dude. You're 15. Another red. Oh, I just spooked one too. This is on the little Bambino. Ow. Oh, he got me. All right. You got me. Yes, yes, you got me. That was a fair trade. I got you, you got me. Still struggling to find my snook. Or a bigger red. Jeez. Wow. That was badass, man. I was not expecting that, man. Oh yeah. Yep, another little red. Ugh. All right. All right, dude. Trout. Yeah, that's a trout. That's a better trout. That's a much better trout. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, actually that is. That's a much better trout. All right. This actually might be keeper size. That is a much better trout. Let's just see how big you are, dude. Okay, you gotta open up. You gotta open up. Thank you. All right, dude. Chill out. Yeah, he's 16. 16 and a half. 16 and a half. That's a good snook. Oh, that's why I came in here, people. That's a good snook. Oh, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. I gotta get you out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I gotta drag. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, That's a nice snook. Oh, come on. Oh, that's a beautiful snook. Oh, 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 that's a beautiful snook. Oh, 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 that is a nice snook. Not ready. Now it's in my rudder. Oh boy. Okay, you're out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, yes. Oh, yes, people. That is why we came in here. That is exactly why. Come on. I gotta take a selfie. All right. Oh, gorgeous fish, man. All right, dude. All right, guy. All right. This guy is 27. 27 and a half. All right. Don't freak out. Please. Don't freak out. Stay right there. Let me get a picture. Let me get a picture. Yep, we're going to tow you around for a few minutes until you are ready. But we're going to do this. We're going to do this one more time. Beautiful snook right there on the wise guy. Jolene, baby. Jolene. We're gonna tow this guy around. We're gonna wait till she's ready. It's actually a girl. Yes. All snook this big are females. She's ready. She's got my thumb. Right there, see? She's got my thumb. When she's ready, she'll let go. Come on. Thank you for playing. Conditions are getting worse rapidly. I just had a fish on, lost it. I'm sure you can probably not hear me very well. Conditions are worsening here. Well, in all, not a horrible day. Fish were caught. Conditions suck. But that 27-inch snook makes up for it. Oh yeah.